Some faceless YouTube channels get monetized in under 60 days. Others upload for a year and never make a single dollar. So, how long does it really take to monetize a faceless YouTube channel in 2026? Let's break down the realistic timeline, step by step. If you're building a faceless YouTube channel or thinking about starting one, this is one of the most important videos you'll watch. Because monetization isn't about luck. It's about strategy, consistency, and knowing what YouTube actually wants. In this video, I'll show you the exact monetization requirements, realistic timelines for beginners, what speeds up monetization, what slows it down, and what to do before you're monetized. First, let's quickly go over what YouTube requires before paying you. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need one of two paths. Option 1, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Option 2, 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Most faceless long-form channels follow the first option. This applies to faceless channels the same way as face channels. There is no penalty for not showing your face. Month 1, Foundation Phase. Month 1 is about learning and testing. You'll likely upload your first few videos, get very low views, and earn $0. This is normal. YouTube is still trying to understand your content. Month 2 to 3, Discovery Phase. This is where many faceless channels quit, and that's a mistake. During months 2 and 3, some videos may start getting traction. You may see your first comments. Watch time slowly increases. You might have 50 to 200 subscribers, a few hundred watch hours. Still no money, but progress. Month 4 to 6, Growth Phase. This is where monetization becomes realistic. Consistent faceless channels can reach 500 to 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 to 4,000 watch hours. Some channels get monetized here. Most are very close. This is also where YouTube starts recommending your content more. Month 6 to 9, Monetization Window. For most beginners, monetization happens between 6 and 9 months. If you choose the right niche, uploaded consistently, and focused on retention. This is the realistic timeline in 2026. Some faceless channels monetize faster. Here's why. High retention videos are the biggest factor. YouTube pushes videos people watch till the end. Other factors that speed things up: choosing high-interest niches, uploading at least once per week, making videos 5 to 10 minutes long, strong hooks in the first 10 seconds. One viral video can change everything, but consistency creates the chance. Now let's talk about what delays monetization. Most faceless channels fail because they upload randomly, they copy low-quality content, they don't improve retention, or they quit too early. Posting 30 videos without learning is slower than posting 10 improved videos. Here's the smart move most beginners miss. Before monetization, focus on building a content library, improving thumbnails, testing hooks, and learning what your audience watches longest. You can also prepare affiliate links, a simple description strategy, a consistent posting schedule. This way, when monetization hits, you're ready. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel step by step, watch my full guide on how to start a faceless channel in 2026. And if you want to know how much faceless YouTube actually pays, watch my realistic breakdown video. Subscribe for honest YouTube advice, no hype, just strategy.